Welcome to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel. Today you are going to find out how this Chinese expression 加油 came about. The Chinese expression 加油 literally means add oil. 加 is add and 油 is oil. It is popularly used in colloquial conversations in Chinese as a form of encouragement or support. This Chinese expression took place during the Warring State period, 战国时期. There was a general by the name of Yue Yi from the state of Yan. Yue Yi was a brave and brilliant warrior. He led an army into the state of Qi and obtained victory. The king of Qi fled the country with haste. During that time, there was a court official living in the capital of Qi called Tiandan. Tiandan was a person who planned ahead and thoughtful. Before he fled Qi with his household, he told the men to saw off the protruded axle of the carriages and to cover them with iron sheet. And he also instructed them to put a few bottles of sesame oil in the carriages. When his carriages exited the city gate, it was jammed packed with people trying to flee the country. Many of the carriages were destroyed because of collision. Many had to abandon their carriages because of broken axle. As Tiandan had modified his carriages beforehand, all 10 of them exited the city gate undamaged. Moreover, as other carriages lubricated their axle with animal fat, after long hours of traveling, they would produce loud squeaky noise, and the speed of the carriage would become slower and slower. However, the horsemen dare not alight to check due to the dire situation. Tiandan's carriages, on the other hand, were brisk and far ahead from others. Whenever the carriages slowed down, the men would shout, 加油, quick, 加油, and they would put sesame oil on the axle. The carriages would then increase speed again. When the other carriages heard them shouting 加油, they thought they were encouraging each other by saying that. As such, they followed Tiandan and the men by shouting 加油 from the capital of Qi till they reached Qimo. From then onwards, the Chinese expression 加油 became a form of encouragement used in sporting events and competitions by groups as a form of cheering each other. This expression can also be used at a personal level as a motivating phrase to the partner in the conversation. New words. 新词语大将大将 general 英勇善战英勇善战 brave and brilliant warrior 率领率领 lead to lead 仓皇逃跑仓皇逃跑 to flee with haste 首都首都 the capital 有心计有心计 a person who plans ahead 周到周到 thoughtful. 芝麻油，芝麻油 sesame oil. 碰撞，碰撞 collision. 抛弃，抛弃 abandon. 完好无损，完好无损 undamaged. 遥遥领先，遥遥领先 far ahead. How to use 加油 The Chinese expression 加油 has two meanings. Firstly, to mean to refuel or to add lubricating oil to a vehicle. 我的汽车需要加油。我的汽车需要加油。My car needs gas. 请问加油站在哪里？请问加油站在哪里？ Where is the gas station? Meaning number 2, to encourage, support, or cheer someone on. 球迷们都在为各自的球队加油。球迷们都在为各自的球队加油。Fans are cheering for their respective teams. 明天的面试不要紧张，我会给你加油。明天的面试不要紧张，我会给你加油。Don't be nervous for tomorrow's interview. I will cheer you on. That is all we have for you today. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are interested in our videos. Thank you. 我们的视频就到此结束，谢谢大家。